All right, give me one up top, my girl.
20% of UK CO2 emissions come from home energy. Reality TV stars Mica and Marcus know the more energy they use, the bigger the carbon footprint. So, using less energy is key, but can it also feel good?
Cooking and food in this family is like the centerpiece.
Mica and Marcus cook pretty much everything using their energy-hungry oven and gas hob.
How comes I'm doing all the hard work, but yet I'm the sous chef?
Every year, UK households use 11.2 billion kilowatt-hours of electricity for cooking, enough to drive an electric car around the planet 1.8 million times. But can you cook more efficiently and still enjoy the results?
I'm going to be using the air fryer, Marcus is going to be using the microwave, and I'm going to win.
So, we have a competition on our hands.
Start digging in, Yash.
Yeah, we'll have that.
That would be nice in the air fryer, actually.
All right, cool. So
I reckon we're good.
Let the games begin.
Mica's air fryer is more efficient than her oven. And Marcus's microwave is even more efficient than that. But which makes the better meal?
Arrange some of these on the plate, yeah? Oi.
I am thinking baked chicken, some halloumi, what do you reckon?
Yeah.
I really feel like we're going to win.
We are.
Wait there, let me go and get some water now.
Whoa, 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 nah. No, you can't be doing that shit.
He's trying to take tips.
Let's get this in.
Right, boy. Now get that in the microwave. We should be winning this one, hands down.
As things go south in the kitchen,
Look at this one.
It only needs a little bit more.
confidence is rising in the boys' team.
I smell victory, Dad.
You spell victory. Yeah. I smell victory too.
But Mica and Shuggy have other ideas.
Yeah, what was that about victory?
At first glance, I think we'd won.
No way. Are you joking? Do you want to try that first?
Bit of the pomegranate. And don't lie.
He likes
Don't
it. He
lie.
likes
It's
it.
good. That was the best meal here.
All right. So you saying we won, yeah?
We're a family and we don't need to be bickering on who's better.
But we're better.
Yeah, no, you lot won.
Both teams used energy-efficient devices, got a banging meal out of it, and even managed to have fun in the process.
Working with Shuggy today was like, wow. But it was nice having her in there.
The air fryer smoked us. But I still love my microwave.
So, it looks like using less energy can feel good.
If we're gonna save energy, guys, I think we could take the air fryer out at least a couple of times a week.
Yep, 100%.
I agree.
Yeah.
Keep the microwave for the rice.
Yeah?
Deal? Put it in.